Hello, my name is Christian Zambrano, and I'm presenting a project that I did with Alejandro Chavez. So we decided to build a card opening pack simulator that stores all the unique cards that you pull from the packs. We used Angular, JavaScript, Framework, Supabase, and PostgreSQL to pull from the database, as well as ChatGPT and Gemini to help generate player data, artwork, and some of the code to help get us started. We also use CSS to create animations on the screen. So any glare, any fonts, anything. So the website has multiple parts, all which are important to how it works. At the top right corner, the coins section shows you how much purchasing power you have to open packs. The coins reset back to 10,000 upon refreshing the page, but the intended function would be that once you run out of coins, you'd either have to play mini games to get them back, or you need to buy them with real currency. In the center of the page, we see different packs under the pack of the week header. There are different 3 packs that you can open: the starter pack, the elite pack, the pro pack. You can hover over the packs, and then you can also see the how many coins that they have, or how much coins they're worth, and how many cards you get from it. So you also have rarity chances. So for each time you pull a card, you have a chance of getting a legendary card or a rare card. For the starting pack, there's only a 1% chance that you pull a legendary. For a pro pack, 5%. And finally, for an elite pack, there's a 10% chance. All of these rates are fetched from the super base table called packs. So let's just so once you open up all of these cards, something called the trophy room will appear. And this is our little database that we have that stores all the player information here. So the trophy room displays the cards that you collected, and you have to continuously open cards in order to get more of the unlock or more of the locked player cards to be filled up. And below the trophy room, right here, is a little dog icon with the soccer ball. And I hope you like that, even though you like cats. But it's supposed to encourage the user to stay on the website, and also encourage the user to keep purchasing. So I hope this keeps the users entertained. So just going over the functions. If in order to open the packet, you need to hover over it, select it, and then after that there'll be the animation. So you see the little glare effect, and then a little zoom in, and then the glow effect over each card, and the zoom in. So the first color in the background of the card tells you about their rarity. You can see an image of a player and then see the team emblem, their name, their position, and country. You can also see the rarity once again once you get into the trophy room. The rarity is decided on the numerical rating the player has, which is pulled from the database. If the rating is less than 83, they are a common card. If it is between 83 and 90, they are a rare card. Finally, if they're above 90, it's a legendary card. So from the stack, we don't have any legendaries, but we have rares. once you finish pulling the cards from the pack, you'll be brought back to this screen, and all your players will be displayed here. As said once before, there's a total of 50 cells, and there's I'm sorry. There is a total of 50 cells here, which is equal to the total number of players that you can get from the cards. So just going over the functions of the website, let me show you the code. The final code, I downloaded this working version from GitHub, and GitHub, we got rid of some of the configuration files for Vercel because it has its own implementation. So please disregard any errors because this app does work on Vercel. So this is the main page that we have. So it basically is just a framework of hosting our website. Then the route TS, the app TS. This is kind of the functions of when we open, or it imports Supabase, so that it imports the API, and then it also has the functions that we need for the website. So loading the packs, on clicks, the rotation of the pack. All of this is designed with the app.ts. And then if you go to Supabase service, this is basically how we clean the database's data and organize it for our website and make it look nicer. And then right here, styles.css. We just have all the styles, so any rotation, any font, any on hover effects, zoom in effects, it's all over here. So we have a lot of CSS script for this website. So come back over to here. Just want to show you. So it just keeps getting consistently filled up with players once you buy the pack. Right. So I hope you enjoyed the website that Alejandro and I made. Please let us know your thoughts. Thank you, Professor. Oh yeah, also one more thing is the inspect, because I know you like inspect. So here's how it looks like on the web, on the phone version. And also the error is just occurring because of the duplications of like the players, but then it goes back into the coin. So like when I say the duplication of the players is when you open up a pack and let's say you have a similar player in your trophy room to the player that you just opened, or the pack that you just opened, it's supposed to resell that and give you more coins for it. But all right, Professor, thank you for everything. Have a good one.